Yo, what up? Here we have our 2013 S5. It's gonna be a full-on track car endurance spec. As you can see, a little small accident, nothing too crazy.
Nothing crazy.
No motor damage. It starts right up.
Oh, okay.
Came APR cold packs. We got a CTS turbo, cold air intake. But it seems tuned. We're not 100% sure yet, but she sounds solid. She sounds solid.
We got APR coil packs. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you definitely gotta clean it up.
Man, a little kick should be alright. Nothing too crazy. See, solid. Full
We got
track
the 18-inch wheels. We're gonna fully strip it.
Huh? Keep going. Alright, so let's start with the walk around of the car. Here we have our 18-inch OEM wheels.
With a small ass brake caliper.
So you got a little curve, nothing crazy. And then we make our way this way. You know, got that bulletproof quarter panel with that body feel like cracking.
Ooh.
Look at that. Solid. You know, nothing too crazy. We go to the back. We got stock exhaust. Nothing back. This is just
Previous owner took he had a little lip spoiler, it looks like.
He's cheap. There you go. He jacked our trunk.
Damn.
Yeah, bro.
So the interior is pretty clean though.
Yeah, we got our spirit. Nothing
That
get
will be
eliminated.
removed.
Yeah.
Quad tips though.
Alright. Yeah.
The auction said it was a premium plus. But then we got the black on Alcantara. Got the silver trim, gonna be for sale.
Yes, sir.
Driver bag blue, knee bag, and the curtain.
Nothing too bad, nothing bad. All getting eliminated for track.
But the seats are clean.
Yo, it's a wrapped headliner.
Is it? No, I think that's OEM.
Oh no, dog.
But yeah, seats are clean. Got the S5 stitched. Pretty dope. Clean. Got 100,000 miles. Battery's kind of dead right now.
Fire.
Is that hitting the tire? It is. Nice. Get some clearance. Alright, now we're gonna start it up. Alright, here's the first drive. This one.
Oh yeah.
Jeez. Look at that. Sir, you broke my grill.
That drum? Yeah, check and see it then I'll
Fresh hex lighting. So this is where we're gonna have it. We're gonna take out the reinforcement bar, the headlight, fenders, the whole cooling package, and then go from there. Be a little project. So got some clearance there, so you can see. So yeah. I don't know what this is for. I think it's a second breather for, actually I think it's right there. Yeah. Oh, if I can get it. That's in the way. Oh, but there's nothing on top of it. I guess I had a filter in there for that. Ow. This is in the way. Yeah, so I think this goes in there. Maybe. Who knows? It looks like it though. Yeah, I think that goes there. And I think a filter goes on top of it. I think. So, we'll see. Definitely need a new cone filter. Gotta reach out to CTS. What the shit? Definitely gotta reach out to CTS for that. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. So CTS will come in clutch with that.